back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a fun spring makeup tutorial for you guys today. I wanted to play around with a little color, and I'm also going to be using a product that I unveiled in one of my PR unboxings. I wanted to use it in this tutorial because a lot of you guys asked me what it was like. I was a little curious myself, so I'm going to be using that as well. If you guys would like to see what product I'm talking about, please keep watching till the end of this video. Bye. This is my first time using this NYX Do Me Up Honey. One of you guys actually requested that I use this. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing for the NYX products that I got, it was a PR unboxing. I actually showed you guys this, and I said I wanted to use it, but I'm not really even sure how, so we're just gonna like drip it on my face like I see them do, and like, you know, on Insta, which this feels kind of crazy. It's very like dewy and honey like feeling. It's called Honey Dew Me Up, so I wanted to create a dewy look for you guys because I don't really do dewy looks. I wear a lot of matte foundations, so I'm just gonna use my fingers and blend it into my skin and then apply my dewy foundation. Obviously, you guys, I would probably never do this in real life because my skin is super oily, so I like to do matte looks, but for you guys I'm doing this so you guys can kind of see what this does to your skin. This is my first time ever using it, so I mean it looks pretty glowy, pretty dewy, so yeah. So I'm gonna apply this somewhat as like a primer. I wonder if you're supposed to like mix it with your foundation. I don't know. I'm doing it like a primer right now. And so far, it's like really stuck under my eye. Okay, so I put that on. I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro foundation, the glow one. I usually use the matte one, as you guys know, but since we're doing a glowy look, I figured this would be perfect. I usually don't use this foundation. I always just put it on my hand. This one's a way more liquidy than the matte one. It's a totally different consistency, so I want to see how this comes on. It kind of reminds me of my L'Oreal True Match as far as consistency goes. It looks a little lighter. It looks a lot lighter than my other one. This one might be too light. I haven't used it in a very long time. I think I bought, yeah, this one's way too light. Okay, but you know what? That's okay because we're gonna contour, so we'll figure it out. We'll fix it. But normally I don't even wear this foundation. I usually just use, what color is this? Because I usually get it in 111. See, this is 210, so it should be in 211. It's a little more bright than I would like, or a little brighter. It's a little brighter than I would like it to be, but that's okay because I'm gonna contour anyway, so it's no big deal. It's just a shade lighter than what I am. Maybe 2 shades. I usually get the matte one in 111, and this one is 210, so I'm assuming I would get it in 211, but we're gonna blend it out. So it actually doesn't look that bad once I blend it, but going on, I feel like it's super light. So not really sure, but I'm still glowing. It's definitely a dewy foundation. It doesn't really have the amount of coverage that I would like for it to have. I've used this in another video. I think I did a review on this, like a first impression, and I feel like it wasn't this light before. Maybe it's my lighting, I don't know. I feel like this is way lighter than what I need it to be, but that's okay. I'm gonna make it work. But I wanted to create a dewy look for you guys, so here it is. This is the foundation I'm using. Just gonna blend this in to the other side. My battery is running super low, so we're going to speed this up for you guys so that it's not a super long video. wasn't gonna talk about this product because I think it's discontinued. It's by CoverGirl. It's their True Blend Mineral. I'm gonna use this as well to give me that nice glow. I'm obsessed with this. It's 100 years old. I've had it forever, but I only use it in the summertime and spring when I want to create a glow. So that is why I don't have any links for it or anything underneath my video, because in real life I don't think it exists anymore. I've had it for years. Okay, when I tell you years, I've had it, guys, I've had it for years. It's super old. So that is why I really don't have it to show you guys. But I'm gonna add a little more color because I'm looking super, super chalky and bright right now. So we definitely want to add some color into my face, because right now this just looks so bright. Yeah, I mean, it's mainly because the foundation was so bright, and then the concealer, I don't know, this mixture for me isn't my favorite. Just a matte girl, but we gonna make this work. We are gonna make this work because I already started filming, so we will figure it out. Just gonna blend that in and put it on the cheeks so that my cheeks aren't so bright. You see this golden color that it's creating? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it really just gives you like a super nice glow. I'll try and find a product that is comparable to this so that you guys can get it. I don't think CoverGirl makes this anymore, but I love this. It's one of my favorites. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. What is this? This is Trophy Wife. I've never used this, so I'm super excited to use it. Literally first time opening it. I got it at Sephora during my vacation in Cali, and I wanted to play around with gold and pink. So let's see what this bad boy looks like on. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's getting in my hair though. Look at that, you guys. Gorge. Whoo, pretty, yes. Okay, so let's do the other side. I mean, oh, so pretty. Should we put some down the nose? I mean, should we just go all out? I mean, since we're going all out with this gold. I mean, since we're going all out anyway, let's just sprinkle some on the nose. I'm gonna actually take my finger and go down the middle. It's just so that it's not like too crazy. We just want like a nice little glow, right? Love this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm obsessed. So pretty. All right, so what lip color should I do? I feel like I want to do a nude lip because my makeup is just so much right now, but at the same time, I kind of want to not do a nude lip and just go all out with a color, but I don't know what color. Okay, so I used Coco Loco to line my lips. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Powder Puff Lippie in the color Best Buds, which is actually one of my favorite colors. Oh my gosh, this color is perfect. Oh, I love this combo. Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously? I gotta turn off my text messages because my sisters are texting me. And I gotta turn off SZA in the background, my bad. But this is it, guys. This is the final look. So let's set it with some MAC Fix Plus and some NYX Dewy Finish stuff. Spray. We'll go in with this Fix Plus first. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with my Dewy Finish. Okay, yeah. You guys see that glow. Woo! Yes! Look at that, you guys. Insane. Okay, so this is it. Let's zoom out for you guys so you guys can see. Okay, much better, right? Doesn't look as crazy, and I have a ton of makeup on, you guys. I never wear this much makeup, or let alone colors, but I actually really like it. I don't know how, like in my viewfinder, it looks super bright, like in here. But in real life, it actually blends and looks really nice. Like it's like super bronzed, and I don't know, it looks weird on camera to me. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. I'll post a picture so you guys can see like a real life picture so that it doesn't look as crazy, because I feel like on camera it just looks super bright, but in real life it comes off really pretty. Like a really nice pink. Yeah, it's like on camera here, my camera, it looks normal on my phone. I just feel like it looks super bright on my camera. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I feel like it's a super pretty look in real life. But I thought it was cute. I mean, I like it. Well, that's it, you guys. I'm pretty much done. I just wanted to do a fun spring, bright, shiny, glowy look for y'all. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. It's totally different, not something I normally do. I feel super bright right now, but what are you gonna do? Hope that you guys like this video. Leave me comments down below and let me know if you want to see more makeup tutorials. I am back from vacation, so I'm gonna get them up as soon as possible. I have one more vlog for you guys in my vlog series from California, so stay tuned for that. And then I will get into vlogging my actual daily life as well. So love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.